after the emergency. Remember, we already told you that BJP is going to be holding a program over this particular day and significance of it as well. We have already started getting a couple of reactions from the top leaders of the BJP. All the BJP top leaders have started coming out and slamming the Congress on emergency period. Amit Shah, JP Nadda have started posting on social media profile X on emergency. In fact, netas are saying that the Congress party's politically driven decision to impose a state of emergency shook the very pillars of our democracy and tried to trample over the constitution as well. Payal continues to stay with us on the broadcast. Payal, we all heard what Prime Minister has to say yesterday before entering the parliament, before the commencement of the 18th Lok Sabha. He did ask for the cooperation from the opposition, but he did not shy away from taunting them at the same time.
Well, of course, he does want to send a message across to the opposition, in particular that the mandate of the people is still with the BJP and the NDA as well. So the opposition can go around saying whatever they want, but the fact of the matter is that his is the only government after Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's government who was able to become the Prime Minister for the third time in a row as well. And many within the ranks of the BJP, the likes of Rajnath Singh, who have actually lived in jail during the emergency period. So obviously, that is something which the BJP will continue to refer to every time that the Congress party speaks about democracy being in danger. And remember, one of the things that actually dented the BJP big time in these Lok Sabha elections was the fact that there was a narrative which was built by the opposition party saying that if the BJP gets 400 plus, then probably the constitution will change, and that actually had an impact on the people and had an impact on the voting as far as the BJP was really concerned. But yeah, year after year, the BJP leadership reminding the Congress party that do not lecture us. Yours was the government, your Prime Minister Indira Gandhi actually imposed emergency on the country. There was clamping on the freedom of the press, because remember, the freedom of the press is also something which many opposition parties have been raising.
Right, Payal, please stay with us. We have got a couple of more reactions now coming in. Some breaking news now.